Welcome to a new gripping episode of Javelins. Today we're testing the 30 grainers in 217 and 218. Yippee!
Alright, so this brings me to the big boot on the platform today. What I'm going to shoot next is the 217s, but the 30 grainer, 30 grain. The one thing I really love about these slugs is that they actually do fit easily into a normal FX mag. Some of the previous ranges on 30 grain didn't want to fit. So this is one plus point already. I'm not going to shoot this as lowest power, I'm just going to waste everybody's time. So I'm going to shoot it at power 4, 5 and max, and then I'm going to repeat it to see that if there's what the consistency looks like. Let's go for it.
Well, ain't that a surprise? I never thought these slugs would group so well at such a low speed. At 870 feet per second and 864, those were the best groupings. The top one has got 6 shots through it, not 5. I'm quite impressed. Those two wayward ones, that's just the shooter, not the slugs. Alright, so let's have a look at the 218s and see if they can do better.
Right, next lady for a shave, or next javelin for a shave. 218s, 30 grainer again, same settings, 4, 5 and max, and then I'm going to repeat it to look for consistency within the speeds. With all fairness being said, I did not expect the 30 grainers to do exceptionally well at all due to the slow speed that they're running out of the gun. But measurement will tell. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so something didn't add up with that last group. And when I checked the speeds, I saw that my air pressure in the bottle was too low and it actually came off the regulator. So I'm just going to shoot 8 shots, back up on the reg pressure, maximum setting, 28, 30 grain, 218 Javelin. That looks a bit better. Speed up to 891 feet per second, where it's supposed to be. Happier with that.
In hindsight, when I looked at my rig, what the heck took it 4 shots to get up to speed? I will have to get my rig serviced. I like inconsistency. Back at the shooting at the groups, the 218s actually performed quite well. I was surprised at power setting 5 as well as max. A 12mm grouping at 7 shots, that's not too shabby at all. I think I'm gonna fall in love with the heavier slugs sooner or later. It's like throwing a brick through a window. It's so much fun. Looking at the speed chart, the 217s came out of the barrel a lot hotter, almost 40 feet per second faster than the 218s. I did not expect such a huge difference between these two slugs. Oh well, every day I learn something new. Hope to see you soon, guys.
That's all, folks.